In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method from Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. This is where you can explore all the features of the platform designed to bring your idea online and build a website. When the page loads, take a moment to locate the option that allows you to log in. You will notice a clearly marked login button, and clicking on this will take you into your personal account area where you can make changes to your billing information. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with the login page. Enter your credentials to gain access to your account. Once you have successfully logged in, your journey begins by finding your way to the home section of the Hostinger control panel. Look for the home link that is part of the main navigation menu. This section acts as the central hub for all the activities you perform on the platform. With your homepage in view, the next step is to direct your attention to the billing aspects of your account. You will need to navigate to the section labelled Billing. This part of your control panel is where all financial transactions and payment related settings are managed. Downtime may be minimal here, but it is important for ensuring that your account details are up to date. Once you have entered the billing section, you should locate the payment methods area. This area contains a list of all the payment methods that have been added to your account. Here you can manage, update or remove payment methods in order to maintain the accuracy and security of your billing information. When viewing your list of payment options, carefully review which payment method you wish to remove. The next step is to select the specific payment method that you want to eliminate from your account. By clicking on the payment method, you will reveal further options and details related to that particular payment method. Take a moment to verify that you have selected the correct method before proceeding. It is always a good idea to double check, since removing a payment method cannot be done accidentally. After ensuring you have selected the appropriate payment method, move on to the final action of this tutorial by clicking on the remove option. This button is usually clearly labelled, and clicking on it initiates the deletion process for that payment method from your Hostinger account. Once you click remove, the system will process your request and update your account accordingly. Following these clear and methodical steps will ensure that you successfully remove an outdated or unwanted payment method from your Hostinger account. Each stage of the process is designed to be intuitive and straightforward, so that even users who are less familiar with web-based control panels can confidently update their payment settings. With your payment method now removed, you can rest assured that your account contains only the current and necessary billing information. Enjoy the ease and flexibility that comes with managing your account directly from the Hostinger platform.